Hi, welcome to video 2 on the shoulder sockets. We've covered some cross motions. We're now going up and down. Feel free to join in here today. You can weight shift to that same side. So I'm on my right foot, right arm, flexing the arm, bringing it in front of the body, lowering, extending, traveling behind. And just get a feel for this. What's your range of motion? How far back? How far forwards? Works really well on opposite leg. So we'll allow this flow, this integration all the way down to the feet. We can mix up a bit of the adduction and abduction with flexion extension. So come across your midline, come across the body, and moving out and down. Shoulder works really well on the diagonal. So you might feel this combination of movements of bringing in and up, out and down, out and up, in and down. Okay, let's change over. So perhaps a little straighter to start with. Watch the range on this side and lowering, extend. Easy through your breathing. Notice how the posture, the vision comes up and then comes down with the movement. And yes, of course, you can go across your body and include this flow throughout. Same arm and leg. Opposite arm and leg. Many movements in life require this, many sports require this motion. Let's do a double and bring up both and stretch through and feel your range there without cheating. And then lower, feel your range here. Okay, let's bring this back to center. Flexion extension of the shoulder socket, part of the series of movements about the humerus bone here. Okay, thanks for joining in today.